Yes. Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss about the capacitance, right? So what do you mean by capacitance? Capacity tells us about the charge holding ability of a conductor. Say suppose this is a conductor and I want to make it to store charge, right? Before we discuss about capacitance, we'll discuss about what is the need to store charge, right? Yesterday also we discussed about it. Why do we need to store charge? That is very important, right? We can take charge from battery also, but battery has so many limitations that wherever there are so many situations in which we need a lot of charge, we need a lot of current for a very small fraction of time. So wherever we need a large amount of current in a very small fraction of time, we cannot use battery, because battery is a source, right? It will have resistance due to its geometry. It will have so many factors due to which we cannot use charge in the required amount as required by us, right? So let us take a very simple example of storage of water, right? We all store water in our households. So when we are talking about the water storage, suppose there is something and I am doing some experiment and I need 25 liters of water immediately. मुझे अभी 25 liters of water चाहिए मेरे experiment के लिए, right? I have a storage tanker of water which contains 1000 liters of water. So in that 1000 liters of water, there is a pipe, and through the pipe water is coming. If I'll open the tap, then water will come out. The flow of water will be there, but it will be in limited amount. So what I'll do, even if 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, if I use that 25 liter taking a longer time, then it is of no use for me. I need 25 liter within 1 second. So for that what we use a storage of water. Suppose I am using a bucket. Bucket में मैंने पहले से 25 liters भर लिया, and whenever I need it, immediately I'll pour the bucket. Although the bucket will be emptied, right? The bucket will be emptied, लेकिन my work is done. I need 25 liters in 1 second. So that can be only provided by the bucket, which is the storage of water. Similarly, the job of bucket is doing capacitor here. जहां भी हमें चार्ज को स्टोर करना है, so that वो सारा का सारा चार्ज हम विद इन अ सेकेंड ले लें, विद इन अ मिली सेकेंड ले लें, and all those places we are using capacitor, right? For example, when you are clicking a picture, for the flash of the camera you need 25 ampere current in 1 millisecond. So that 25 ampere current cannot be provided by the battery of the camera. For that 25 ampere current in 1 second, you can only take it by using some storage of charge inside the parts of the camera, and that storage of charge is the capacitor here, right? So whenever we are talking about water coming out of a tap, it is coming through a pipe. A pipe has a diameter, pipe has a length, so it creates a resistance to the flow of water. Similarly, whenever we are using charge, whenever we are deriving current from the battery, current is coming through wires. Wire will have conductor through wires, so it will have length, it will have area, it will have obstruction to the flow of current. So it will have resistance, due to which I cannot get complete current in that much small time. So I have yesterday given you an example of ambulance also. Say suppose a person has got a heart attack, right? And he has been taken in a special ambulance having cardiac facilities wala ambulance he is having, and that person is taken. In that duration, when a person is suffering, when a person has experienced heart attack, you need to give jerk to the heart so that breathing resumes, right? So for that we generally use fibrillators. So what is the function of fibrillator? It is a kind of electrical hammering, right? With the current you hammer the heart so that the heart also resumes to, maybe for some time heart ka functioning ho, so that by the time person is taken to the hospital he should not die. So those fibrillators have capacitance, right? Because you need to give 50 ampere in 1 millisecond, you need to give 30 amperes in 1 millisecond. So all these fibrillators, if we do this work with battery, it will not be possible. So जहाँ भी हमें चार्ज चाहिए and within a very small time interval, ज़्यादा चार्ज चाहिए, ज़्यादा करंट चाहिए, बहुत कम टाइम में, we always use capacitors. Capacitor is a system there are different type of capacitors that we'll discuss. So capacitor is a system in which we can hold charge, in which we can store charge, in which we can store energy, right? So energy को store करने के लिए जो system बनाया गया, that system is termed as capacitor, right? So the requirement of capacitor, I'll repeat again, wherever we need a lot of current in very very small time, we will use capacitors. So capacitor is made up of the word capacity. Capacity means ability to hold charge, ability to hold energy. So हमने चार्ज को स्टोर करके रख लिया, wherever we need, हम फटाफट से उसको यूज कर लेंगे, but it will be discharged, then you have to charge it again. अभी आपने एक बार बकेट का 25 लीटर्स यूज कर लिया and you need it after 10 minutes, so you need to store the bucket again. You need to store the bucket again. अभी स्टोर करने के लिए कहाँ से पानी आने वाला है? Water is going to come from the same source. The tanker which you have, the tank, water tank, whatever storage you are using, 1000 वाला, वहीं से आने वाला है water, so that you are going to store the water again in the bucket. Similarly, for charging the capacitor, you need to, suppose once the capacitor is discharged, पूरा आपने उसका current use कर लिया, for next टाइम यू हैव टू स्टोर चार्ज अगेन, और वो स्टोरेज जो चार्ज आएगा वो सोर्स बैटरी से ही आएगा, राइट? सो दैट इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न चार्जिंग एंड डिस्चार्जिंग ऑफ अ कैपेसिटर. You must have seen, suppose you are taking a picture with the help of a camera, you are using flash, right? So for that flashlight you need 25 amperes in 1 second. So immediately you click and it will give you flash. Immediately अगर आपको second photo खींचना है तो वो नहीं होता है. There is a small red bulb that will glow for some time. In that time capacitor is getting charged again, and again you can use, maybe after 2-3 seconds it is ready, then that red bulb will be off and then your camera is again ready to give you that much amount of current for electricity of the flash. मतलब जितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए, जितना करंट चाहिए फ्लैश को ऑन होने के लिए, वो कैपेसिटर आपको, it will take some little time and it will charge again and again it will give you 25 amperes in 1 second. So that is how we need storage of charge, so that we can use it for our later purposes, right? So we are going to study about the electrical capacitance of a conductor. Now how do we make capacitor? Any system which is holding the charge is called as a capacitor. That we are going to learn. Before we learn that, we'll learn the physical quantities on which the capacitance depends. So whenever you are charging a body, say I am giving it 10 coulomb, 20 coulomb, 100 coulomb, 500 coulomb. When I am storing charge in it, मैं इसको charge देती जा रही हूँ. So when I am storing charge, what I am increasing? I am increasing its potential. I am increasing its potential by giving it charge. Say, for example, I have given you a conductor ki you store charge in it, right? How you will check how much charge will be stored? You will check that by checking the potential. Say, suppose there is a bucket of water, right? So how you will check कि bucket का पानी जो है, जो water है, उसका कितना level हो गया है? Storage अभी full हो गया नहीं. You see the height. Height is what? The potential. The potential energy. So now you will say now it is 10 liter because उसका height increase हो रहा है, because its potential is increasing. Similarly, whenever you are charging a conductor, its potential will rise. So the rise in potential will tell you हाँ अभी body के ऊपर charge आ रहा है, because इसका potential जो है वो क्या हो रहा है? The potential is getting increased. So as we increase the charge, the potential also increases. So we can write Q is proportional to V. As we are increasing the charge, the potential is also increasing. So ये proportionality sign को हटाने के लिए I have to use a constant. So Q is equals to C V. Now what is this C? This C is the capacitance. This constant here is called as the capacitance of the conductor. So what is C? C is charge per unit potential, right? Charge per unit potential. So if we say that V is 1, if V is equals to 1 volts, then what is capacitance? How we define this capacitance? है क्या ये? Capacitance is equals to Q. How you define it now? Capacitance of any conductor, मैंने इसको charge दिया and I am increasing the charge, its potential is also increasing. So how much potential should be increased? So that I say that now that the body is having some charge, now it has stored some energy. So if V is equals to 1 volt, capacitance of a body, capacitance of a conductor is numerically equal to the charge stored in the conductor to increase its potential by 1 volt. Say this is a body, I am giving it some charge, right? When I am giving it some charge, say 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb and say 100 coulomb. 100 coulomb देने पे इसका potential 1 volt rise हो गया. So what is the capacitance of this? The capacitance of this is 100. किसी भी बॉडी को कितना चार्ज देने पे उसका पोटेंशियल राइज हो जाता है बाय 1 कूलम. आई से द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ दिस इज 1200 माइक्रोकूलम. So it means in order to increase its potential by 1 volt, how much charges have been given? 1200 microcoulomb charges have been given, right? The amount of capacitance of a conductor is equal to the, numerically equal to the charge in order to increase its potential by 1 volt, right? So C is equals to Q.